In today's 2-minute fishing tip, I'm going to tell you how you can make your own landing net. Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Captain Chris Myers, Central Florida Sight Fishing Charters. If you haven't joined my channel, please consider becoming a subscriber. Today I'm going to tell you about my landing net, which I've had in my boat for 15 years or more. Same one, still works great. It's a sling. So you swim the fish up into this, close it up, pick it up. The fish are laying horizontal. They tend to flop around much less than if you're grabbing them by the lip and hanging them by the lip, which can cause damage to large fish. This thing also has a couple strings on it. If I needed to weigh my fish, got a couple strings here with some loops. You just stick your scale right on here. Again, the fish is laying, it's not flopping around. You're not damaging their jaw or their internal organs. A couple of pieces of PVC, some end caps. Bought a piece of net online for a few dollars, wire tied and tied it on with string. Drilled some holes, put some paracord in there for my weighing straps, and for only a few bucks I have this net. When I'm done with it, roll it up out of the way up under the gunnel. A round net that will be big enough to handle the fish we can put in this net. You either have to have a collapsible, expensive collapsible net, or it's in your way all day. This thing's never in the way. It's been in my boat for years and years, still works as good as the day I made it. If you're catching big fish, you need a sling to land them. Make yourself one like this for a few dollars. If you want to see the rest of my fishing tips and tricks, you can check out my 2-minute fishing tip playlist right here.